Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I'm so glad you made it back. Today I have a self-care pamper routine for you guys. I am so glad you made it back in this very weird time in our lives where every day is a kind of a challenge to get through, but we are making it. So I appreciate if you could give me a thumbs up. If you love this, please comment below and let me know what's your favorite thing to do when there is a lot going on. There's some difficult times right now, but Pamper Day is much needed. This Pamper Day happened when I was on my 20th vacation anniversary trip in Cancun, Mexico. And just remember, self-care and pampering yourself is just a small fraction of what you can do right now to handle anxiety or any other issues that we're going through right now. But when we handle ourselves, we tend to forget about what's going on and we take care of ourselves, so we focus on that, and it helps not only mentally but also spiritually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Everything will be listed down below. This is one thing that you can do out of many. Make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram at 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔, or you can follow me on Facebook at 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔, as well as Mr. Traveler channel here on YouTube, where me and my husband travel the world. So let's get right into it. Starting with our skin, our face, with clean hands, I'm going to make sure my face is saturated with water. I'm in a battle of controlling my combination oily skin. I'm going to start with 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔 Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub, and my goal is to have smooth skin with finer pores. So I use a body brush to brush over the scrub. I use it 2 to 3 times a week, and you want to leave it on if you want that cool, warm feeling. No, this video is not sponsored. These are the products that I really use every day, and I'm sharing them with you. I get a really hot towel, as hot as I can take it, and I pat my face with it. Either I steam or I use really hot towels because it penetrates the product, and when I take products off, it penetrates into my skin and it comes out wonderful. I usually don't use all these products in one day, but I am demonstrating to you the products that I use about 2 or 3 times a week. The next product is Intelligent Nutrients. It's a plant stem cell refining micro polisher, and it's super fine. I like to rub it into my skin, and as you rub it, you will feel the beads. Eventually the beads will dissolve. You have to leave it on as a mask, and when you take it off, your skin feels amazing. I really love this product because I can't use a lot of rough products on my skin because they will break it out. So I feel like I'm at the spa when I use this particular product. It works really, really well, and if you have oily combination skin, I will recommend it. Again, you want to pick up a different towel and pat dry your face. If you like me, I love it very, very hot, and I don't like to cross-contaminate, so I use about 4 different washcloths. And here, thank God I'm at the hotel, so I ask for extra ones, and I like to pamper myself with just getting that towel very hot and apply it to my skin. The next thing I would like to use is Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. It is a minty clay eucalyptus with lotus flower. It's cooling and it makes you feel like you're at the spa. I featured this product in my last video, which was my Amazon favorites, and it works very well. As you can see, my hair is up in a bun and it's pulled up. I have a mask on my hair. I'm going to be washing that out, and while I sit in the tub, I use the mask to just steam because I like to pamper myself, relax in the tub, and as the water is warm, and I like to have the mask soak into my skin. I do not have the water no warmer than my body temperature. This mask is a cooling mask, and it helps relieves pores. It empties your pores out. It's like a detox for your pores. I really love this mask. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Find your favorite bubble bath or soak and it's time to relax. After soaking in the tub, it's time to rinse out the mess out of my hair, rinse everything off from the tub because I feel like after you take a bath, you have to take a shower. I use my favorite perfume. This is my mom's scent, and I put it all over me, and I feel like $1,000,000 when I'm done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this video helped relax you or you used it in any positive way, please comment below and let me know. I would love to hear it from you. Life's short, have fun, see the world, live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.